Guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial, guys, on this Insignia Roku TV, I'm going to show you to change the language. So get your remote, and of course, once you're at the menu as seen here, go ahead, guys, and move down to settings. Next, you're going to go all the way down as seen over on this side, and you're going to go all the way down to system, and you're going to select, and of course, in this section over here, you're going to move through, you're going to see language. Now, language allows you to change between Dutch, Spanish, French, and Portuguese. Now, these are the major languages. As you can select it, see on mine, we've already selected English, but you can easily switch between any preferred language that you like. So simply go ahead and select your language. It's quite easy on this particular Insignia Roku TV. If you have anything to add, guys, you can use the comment section. As we showed, guys, quite easy to get to the settings. And of course, I'm going to show you once more as seen here. Simply go ahead and do it as seen on screen here to go ahead and choose your language or switch your TV back to the English setting. All right, guys, Ricardo saying bye until next time.